Hey guys, do we do it again?
Let's do it, man. Let's do it so much. Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go.
Wait.
These people have no idea what's coming right now.
This is so stupid right here. Wait, do we hop the fence again?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, man.
I guess.
Well, man, well.
Is that? What is that?
What the?
What the? That's scary, man. Let's go in. I don't know, guys. I have a bad feeling about this. Guys,
Okay, calm down, calm down.
hey guys, I'm gonna take
Oh my.
Oh shit.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Dude, what the hell, man? Oh my god! We're gonna die! What was that? Hey guys, what was that? Guys, I just peed a little. Dude, what was that?
Hey, we shouldn't even be on other people's property.
Dude, it's sweet. We're gonna die, man. We're gonna die. Oh my god!
Just,
Oh shit!
oh my god.
Was that him?
Oh my god! I do not want to die this way. Hey, we have to go inside.
Are you crazy? Can't go inside, man. You want to go inside? It's like that. Are you insane? Dude, let's just jump. Get out of here.
Wait, we're all alone inside this empty house. Hey, what do we do? Are you okay? You okay? Oh my god. What? Dude, what happened?
I don't know. He's got him, man. What are you doing? What's that noise, man? What the heck? What the heck? Oh my god! Oh no. Oh my god, he's dead. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What do I do? What do I do?
I'm in a house alone. Anyone finds this message? Hello? Oh my god. Please, no. Please, no. I'm just... No, 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 please. I'm just a child. No, 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 no. Please, please, no. No.
If anybody else wants to die, just come and knock on my door.